Alright, what is poppin', everybody? Today we're actually going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be opening our Gary V Uno cards from Mattel. And you know the vibes, we're going to be getting into this one. Hopefully we're going to be getting a Gary B. I'm super excited. I've been waiting literally months for this. We only were able to afford one before they sold out, and with our financials at the time. So I definitely feel like Charlie from Willy Wonka, hoping to get that golden ticket. And yeah. Super excited. Let's go ahead and get right into this. It's going to be all right. Let's just do it. So here we are. We want a Patient Panda or a Gary V. I would be super happy with either or. Yeah. Wow. So here, opening, they have a little thank you. Our mission is to make sure you're completely satisfied with your purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to the information below. Mattel Creations. Oh, hopefully y'all didn't see my address and stuff. And yeah, we got one. So here we are. This is going to be the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and start our unboxing here. An exclusive Uno card game deck for the Veefriends NFT project by Gary Vaynerchuk. Each deck features 17 Veefriends characters and includes one collectible foil card. Each foil card mirrors a Veefriends spectacular from the deck. There are 17 randomly distributed cards with 4 tiers of rarity. Okay, Tier 1, 1 card. Tier 2, 5 cards. Tier 3, 6 cards. So does that mean that you're gonna get 5 spectaculars or 1? Guess there's only one way to find out, right? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see which one we got. This is crazy, I can't even lie. Gary V, man, impressive. Ooh. Right off the bat, you can see. Uh-oh, don't want to bend any of them. Wow. Right off the bat, you can see our spectacular. Incredible. We should have got more lighting in here. Damn. So right off the bat, you could see our spectacular. I don't even know the name of this Veefriend. I can't lie. There's another deck in here. Why is there another deck in here? What is this? What is this? This is a second deck. It comes with a second deck. That's pretty trippy. That's pretty trippy. Okay. Just the one spectacular, it looks like. What's the difference between these decks? What's the difference between these decks? Does Uno usually come with 2 decks? I can't remember. I'm not gonna lie, we really wanted that Gary B. We got the Charming Cheetah. That's what we got, Charming Cheetah, y'all. Charming Cheetah. Let's see if we can get Alright. We were having some issues. We were having some issues.
Everything.
But here we have our spectacular. Here we have our spectacular Charming Cheetah. Got the first ever unboxing of Gary V's
It actually
Uno
came
cards.
with 2 decks.
One
is
is brown, and the other one is gray or green. A gray or green.
Yellow.
And a yellow.
Kind of easy to get.
Kind of easy to keep separated. This is
what
what
we
we
were
were
hoping
hoping
for.
for.
This is what we were hoping for.
Sadly, no Gary B. Sadly, no Gary B.
We're still happy. We're still hyped.
But we're still happy. We're still hyped.
This on Twitter.
We're gonna be posting this on Twitter.
Spectacular Cheetah.
If anybody wants to
Spectacular Cheetah. Charming Cheetah.
just let me know.
Charming Cheetah.
I ain't got no Veefriends. I ain't got no Veefriends.
Series 2.
I'm just trying to get into
So
the
if you want
Series
this,
2.
you want to trade for a
So if
Series
you want
2?
this, you want to trade
Let me
for a
know.
Series 2?
I'd be glad to
Let
trade
me know.
any Series 2
I'd be
Veefriends
glad
for
to
this.
trade any Series
You
2
wanna get it
Veefriends for
graded?
this. Nobody
You wanna
wants
get
it. I'll
it
probably get
graded?
it graded over
Nobody
time.
wants it. I'll probably
See
get
what
it graded
happens.
over time.
Maybe we'll get our own
See
cheetah
what
and hold
happens.
on to this.
Maybe we'll get our own
But
cheetah and hold
we're
on to
excited.
this. But
Definitely cool.
we're excited.
Worth the
Definitely
25
cool.
bucks.
There's only
Worth
10,000 in the
25
world,
bucks.
I believe.
There's only 10,000 in the world, I
And,
believe.
Yep, we got the spectacular
And,
cheetah.
yep,
Whoever
we
got the Gary B
spectacular
man.
cheetah.
Whoever got
Good
the Gary
jobbing.
B
Good
man.
luck to everybody else.
Good jobbing.
Appreciate
Good luck
you
to
guys
everybody
tuning
else.
in.
Appreciate
you guys
Gary
tuning
B.
in.
Gary
This
V.
was the Gary B
Uno cards
V.
by Mattel collab.
Uno cards by Mattel collab. Pretty awesome to see these. Pretty awesome to see these.